Good morning, friends. Myself Naren Tiwari. Today I am going to tell you a unique business digital platform, number one business platform in India. And here you can save money on your own daily routine expenditure, and even you can save a lot of money on your daily expenses, as well as if you are unemployed, there is a great business opportunity for you. If you are seeking for a part-time job, you have a great business opportunity also as a part-time. Even male and female both can work from home and can earn a lot of money. And you people can fulfill your all dreams. If you really have seen some dream with your open eyes, it can be fulfilled. Nothing is impossible in the world. Today, I am going to tell you about that business opportunity. Yes, one thing I would like to remind you, if you are first time on this Offlip Updates channel, so kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that all the updated videos should be reaching to you first. Okay, friends, and if this video is not useful for you, kindly share this video to others who needs this business. Supporting each other is the humanity. Okay, friends, thanks. Let's move on. Welcome to Offlip Business Platform, online offline learning and earning platform. This is Offlip is completely Indian company, vocal for local. Now I will tell you about company profile, friend. Company has started, launched in 14th April 2022 in Pratapgarh district, Uttar Pradesh. This company is operating in India with a very huge mission and vision, and company in India operating both online and offline. The company has a great milestone target, that is 2022. Up to 2022, company wishes to provide millions of people employment, and Offlip target is to make people digitally empowered and to provide knowledge about paperless and cashless system through a single application. The company is working in so many types of bill payment services, online shopping, digital banking, self-employment, online education, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. That is, here are some physical products that is used on daily basis. This is company's own product manufactured by company. Home delivery services, and company wants to provide income through your own expenses which we are doing daily. Here in the image you can see the company's founder and CEO Mr. Narendra Kumar Tiwari. Now let's move on. If you have great mission and vision, you have also know what is the mission and vision of the company. Friend, as I told you, company has started in 2022, and 2025 up to 25, company has completed their mission and vision. And what was that? Number one, you can see upside, all in one services in one application. Company has desired to create community for you. So many people has created community for themselves in Offlip. And income by your own expenses. These are the up to 2025. So many people have completed. And now company's second mission and vision that is started in 2026. Company is targeting to fulfill. And number two, you can see up to 2026, online home delivery, online home education, that is Offlip education. Here online you can get education. Even second one, home delivery services you are going to get. Self-employment, maximum company wants to provide self-employment. Up to 2026, companies wants to fulfill. And up to 2028, company has a great milestone mission and vision. Partner services, company is providing partnership. You can be partner of the company by franchisee and taking your cooperation as a management. You can also join with the company. Swachh Bharat mission, company's own product with NAPSO name. Company has manufactured so many products, and in coming times number of daily routine products will be manufactured by the company, and that products are with quality. And next one, up to 2028, company wants to create 1 crore users in India. Friends, these are the things which company is telling you about mission and vision. And what is your mission and vision? If it is missing, move on with the company. Before starting joining in any company, you should see company's legal documents, because to run the company there are some requirements of legal documents. ROC, GST, trademark, PAN card, you can find here on the screen. Our applications, Offlip's application, you can find here. Offlip Pay, that is for consumer. Business app, that is for partners, franchisee, area, district and state. Food order seller app and delivery app. This is offline project, just like Zomato, Swiggy are providing 3 applications for offline. Offlip study, that already I told you, online education. This is also application. Create posters if you want to advertise your own business. This application is so much valuable and very useful for you to promote your business on social media. Let's move on. Offlip is providing services: recharge, TV and mobile, all types of bill payment, online shopping, all types of insurance, FD credit card, saving account you can open, all types of loan you can apply, Demat account you can open, train and flight ticket you can book, food and services you can order, room and hotels booking by this application, digital profile you can create for yourself, franchisee income you can get, create poster app, online education app, 500 plus online games Offlip is providing, special deal offer is available, bulk messages through WhatsApp you can send. Now let's move on. Income types. There are so many income types in Offlip. We will start. Sign up income, 100 rupees, companies providing up to 1 crore users. App refer income, there is app refer income. there is recharge income, there is bill payment income, there is team joining income, there is repurchase income, there is FD credit card income, there is royalty income, massive income opportunity, there is fund income on your own daily expenses. You can get scratch card income, guaranteed scratch card income, banking services income, insurance income, franchisee income. Let's move on to discuss one by one. First income, sign up income. As soon as you install the app from Play Store and you do the registration, sign up is completed, immediately you are getting 100 rupees as bonus. And by earning extra 100 rupees, you can redeem, you can get the amount 200 rupees in your bank account immediately on the same day. Next, app refer income, you can find here. Refer income, redeem without any condition. There is no any condition, friend. And this refer income will be provided to you. Consumers can get this refer income up to 1 crore user. Now let's discuss in the chart. Label, refer income, free user, your income. If you are referring someone, they will be in your level 1. From level 1, you will get 2 rupees. Level 2, you will get 1 rupees. Level 3, you will get 0.5 rupees. Level 3 up to 20, you will get 0.010 rupees. Level 21 up to 199 level, you will get 0.01 rupees. Friend, company has a great team income by referring. Up to 199 level business plan company has provided here. And now, the more people will be in your level, you multiplied by this, you can earn here lakhs rupees by referring, free refer income. Let's move on. Scratch card income, friend. Scratch card income. In PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, we also get scratch card, but we cannot get their amount, because once we scratch, we find is try luck better next time it comes, or there are some amount, but they pressurize us to use that amount by purchasing 5,000 rupees some articles, then you can use that amount. But here in Offlip, there is guaranteed amount, whatsoever amount may be, 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 5 rupees or 100 rupees, whatsoever is in scratch card, the amount will come. You will get. There will be no excuses ki try luck better next time. Certain amount will be, this is 100% guaranteed. Let's move on. Next income, recharge income. You are doing recharge, mobile recharge, TV recharge. This recharge income also you can get up to 199 level. This is 199 level plan, friend. If self you are doing the recharge or mobile or TV, you can get up to 2%, 0.5%, up to 2% you can get on recharge. And by team, level 1, 1%, level 2, 0.5%, level 3 to 5, 0.01%. Like this, you can get up to 199 level. And area franchisee, if you are area franchisee, you will get 1% in your area on recharge. District franchisee, if you are, you will get 0.75%. If you are a state franchisee, you will get 0.5% in your area, friend. Whosoever will be, either they are from your team or not, doesn't matter. If they are in your team, you will get double benefit. Team benefit also and franchisee income also. 2 types of benefit you will get if you are franchisee holder and they are your team. So, mind-blowing this recharge income, friend. Let's move on bill payment. We are doing bill payment, so many bill payments. gas booking, electricity bill payment, water bill payment, insurance payment we are doing, FASTag recharge we are doing, so many bill payments that we are doing every month. Here, by doing this bill payment, you can get the income. See the chart. If self you are doing any bill payment, you will get 50 paisa up to 2 rupees. Level 1 rupees. Level 2 50 paisa. Like this through chart you can see. And if you are area franchisee, you will get 1 rupees on any bill payment by the consumer of your own area. District franchisee 0.75. State franchisee 0.5. Like this bill payment system is there, you will get. No other platform you are getting this bill payment. Offlip company is not new. It is running in 2023. Next, income, joining package income friend. You can join the package company with package. There are 4 packages. Startup package 99 rupees. There will be income up to 5 level team benefit. Basic package 799. There will be 15th level team income. If you are taking standard package 1599 rupees, you will get up to 25 level team benefit. If you are doing premium package by 5000 rupees, you will get team income up to 199 level, friend. And you can see and you can read what benefits you will get in package by purchasing package. There is written. One I will tell you, in 99 you will get ebook bundle, and on recharge cashback 0.5% you will get. On bill payment 0.5 rupees you will get. There will be limited services. Choice is yours. You can choose any package. Let's move on. Team joining income friend. There are 2 packages. One is digital package and second one is physical product package. So first we will tell you what is this digital package and what you will get in taking digital package. Ebook set will be there, digital profile will be there, poster making application you will also get. And see the chart now. One I will tell you, others will be the same following. Level 1, if any consumer is taking this joining package 799 package, you will get 200 rupees income. And if the consumer is taking the package standard 1599 rupees, you will get 500 rupees. The mega income opportunities there. Like this you can see approximately you can get 1000 rupees here. The more people will join in your level 1, and any package, whatsoever package they are taking, because there are 4 packages, your income will be multiplied by that. You see this chart. Like this you can get the team joining income. So let's move on. Team joining income, second one, that is physical product. In physical product, what physical products are available? Tea cup set number 1. On the screen you can say on 799. Tea cup and thermo set, that will be 1599 rupees. And on 5000 package you will get alkaline water jug. And what benefits are there in team joining? In level 1, if someone is making 799 package, you will get 100 rupees. 599, you will get 250 rupees. If he is doing or she is doing the package making ID green on 5000 rupees, you will get 1200 rupees. Like this level wise, second level, third level, fourth level, up to 199 level, income is here indicated. Take the screenshot and study very carefully. Now repurchase income. On the screen you can see so many products are there that we are using and we are buying every month, every day, but we are not getting any benefit except the product. But here you will get, if you are making the repurchase income by off-flip application, you will get the income on self as well as by your team. Level 1, suppose I will tell you, if there are 10 people in your level 1 and total repurchase productivity volume will be 1000, you will get 40% benefit. Income amount will be 400 rupees. In second level, if there are the people 100 in your second level, if they are making the business volume 1 lakhs, the 8% you will get 8000 rupees by your team. Income will be on daily expenses, friend. Like this, calculate and see the chart. Study, take the screenshot. Let's move on. EFD card income, friend. By team, if from your level 1, if 10 people are there, and if the credit card income sale is income will be 200 rupees, the 200 multiplied by 10 equal to 2000 rupees. This income will be like this. Following are the income by FD card income, friend. And this FD card income will be earned when the delivery is made to the credit card user's address, friend. Lifetime free card will be there. No income proof required. Up to 7% interest rate you will get on FD card, friend. So let's move on. Royalty income, friend. Rank, label, business amount, income, required reward point and payment. See, first rank you can see here, promoter income, promoter. From level 1, if the business amount will be 3000 rupees, you will get 100 rupees cash reward. Only one time you will get. But if you have reached bronze rank, from level 1, if there will be the business amount 5000, you will get 2%. 2% on the amount. And required reward point, what is that? 50. If you are silver rank achiever, level 2nd up to 4th level, if the business amount will be 50,000, you will get 2%. And required reward point will be 100. Like this, if you are gold rank achiever, the level 5 up to 7, if the business amount is 4 lakhs, you will get 1.5%. Friend, like this, following platinum rank you can achieve, diamond and crown diamond. Here I would like to tell you, from gold up to crown diamond, there is no any required point written, especially. It will be as per company's rules and regulations. And this royalty income, lifetime you are going to get, but in one time, one royalty income you will get. Recent your rank will be, you will get only that royalty income. Let's move on. Fund income. Friend, here are 6 type of fund income every month you can get on your own expenses. If you are bronze rank achiever, you can get lifestyle fund. From your level 1, if repurchase volume is 2500 rupees, you will get 3%. If you are silver rank achiever, you can get family fund. Up to 2nd level, up to 4th level, 25,000 repurchase business volume will be, you will get 2%. If you are gold rank achiever, you can get education fund, level 2nd up to 7. If there is repurchase amount, volume will be 2 lakhs, you will get 2%. Like this, the following you can get. All rank achievers will receive fund on 5th of every month. Mind blowing, this business amount is here, friend. To receive the fund income, it is necessary to make purchases with worth rupees 500 every month. Let's move on. Insurance income. If you have team, you can get also insurance income. Friend, car insurance, bike insurance, PCB insurance, so many insurance are available here. By your team, if they are doing the insurance payment, you can get the income. Level 1, if there is 10 people and policy net amount will be 5,000, so 5% you will get. The total income will be 300 rupees. If second level 100 team is there and if the policy net amount is 10,000, 5% you will get 500 rupees income will be. Like this the following, you can take the screenshot and study, go through thoroughly. There are so many income opportunities ahead also. See, franchisee income, friend. Area franchisee, district franchisee and state franchisee. 3 franchisees are available here. You can take the franchisee and you can get income by franchisee. How franchisee income will be? See the chart. Franchisee, if you are area franchisee, if there in your area, if package sale will be, any package, 4 packages are there, any package sale will be, you will get 3% on that amount. Here 1% also you can get. If by yourself you are the selling the package, 1% extra you will get. 1% extra you will get. On repurchase, whatsoever repurchase will be in your area, you will get 1%. Whatsoever bill payment will be in your area, you will get 1 rupees. Repurchase income will be in your area 5%. Once I will make it clear for area franchisee, package sale in your area 3%, self package sale on self package sale 1% extra, on recharge you will get 1%, on bill payment 1 rupees, repurchase income that is done by people every day you will get 5%. That is for area. And district package on package sale 2%. If district is making the package sale himself or herself, you will get 2%. Recharge you will get 0.75%. On bill payment you will get 0.75 rupees. On repurchase you will get 3%. For state, on package sale 1%. Self you are doing the package sale, you will get 3%. On recharge you will get 0.5%. On bill payment you will receive 0.5 rupees. On repurchase income 1% you will get, friend. Massive mind-blowing business opportunity income is here. Now I would like to tell you about what is the company USP, friend. There is no any requirement for registration. Free registration can be done. No amount is required. Only few documents. There is no requirement of any education or degree. If you want to start your business, no requirement. There is no requirement for any office or room to start your own business. This business is risk-free business. Even you can start this business from home. Limited income. There is no any limited income. Unlimited income you can do. There is no capping. There is no limit. This company is following all the rules made by the governments which required to run a company. What are the payment mode? UPI, NEFT, IMPS. You can get the payment. And what will be the income deduction, friend? 2% TDS and 5% service charge only. This is completely Indian company, vocal for local, friend. Now see the company address. You can find here office address, Offleaf Solutions Private Limited, building number 78, ground floor, Sagara, Kotwali Nagar, Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh 230001. You can follow the company Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube. This is company website www.offleaf.com. You can find so many applications as I told you in Play Store. Go and search Offleaf. You will find so many applications that I told you here. I hope you have understood this business plan. So please follow and start your business. And if you are new, again I request you subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that latest videos updated you find first of all, and share this video to so many peoples so that it can be helpful to them who are seeking employment. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Take good care of yourself.